Okay, guys, we're gonna go into our Intercontinental Suite Toretto Iconic. This is one regarding the Montreal. Mom's already in there. She knows. Oh my God! That almost gave me a heartbreak. This is the huge bathroom. You have a huge TV. Oh, what's that? A mystery unbox, guys. Got a mystery unbox. Somebody left it here. Mystery. The box. Let me see how to open it first. Might be. It says on there souvenir box. So let me see if it is in there. We're unboxing it. It's okay if it gets ripped a little. Memory game. Colored pencils. This is a real mystery unbox. I didn't know what's in here. What is in it? Toy box. It says Mon Passport. My vacation memories. And let's see. This. And let's see. It says for the Montreal Grand Prix Red Bull Racing. Thank you all for watching.